Okay.
Very good. Akarsha.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
please. You are from which district or which place?
Sir, I am from Thiruvananthapuram district of Kerala.
Very good. What is your degree?
Sir, I am an electrical and electronics engineering graduate.
Which year did you pass out?
In 2020, sir.
Okay. Are you working somewhere now?
No, sir. I am preparing for bank exams.
Okay. Good. What are the other exams you have cleared up to mains level?
Sir, I have cleared ESIC MTS examination 3 months ago.
Hmm.
Uh,
You,
uh,
you
only
are
that.
you are waiting for the result, na?
No, sir. Mains result already out. Its vacancies are real less. I got 135 rank, but vacancies in Kerala is only 40, sir.
Oh, I'm sorry. Then
Only that examination, sir.
only that examination you have passed. Very good. What is your father?
Sir, he is a retired government employee.
Acha. Now, what is your mother?
She is a headmistress working in a government school.
Very good. What is your siblings?
I have a sister. She is working.
Working where?
Working in postal department, sir.
Very postal department. Good. Can you tell me something about India Post Payment Bank?
India Postal Payment is the largest payment bank in India.
Hmm.
And in payment bank cannot give loans.
Hmm.
Their paid up capital is 100 crore.
Hmm. Hmm.
And so that they cannot issue credit card.
Hmm.
They can give they can accept deposits but cannot give loans, sir.
Hmm. Then one more condition, important condition is there regarding accepting deposits. What is the maximum limit?
Sorry, sir, I can't recollect now, sir.
It is 2 lakhs.
Okay, sir.
If you want to open an account with a payment bank, you cannot keep more than 2 lakhs deposit with
Okay, sir.
payment bank. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Please,
Okay, thank you, sir.
please talk to your sister and get to know what are the other functions of postal payment bank and also post office.
Okay, sir.
Very good. What is the price of postcard nowadays?
I don't know, sir.
Are you aware there is a card letter known as inland letter? Are you aware? Inland.
Sir.
Huh?
I don't know, sir.
It
My
is there.
sister, she's
It is there.
she's
There,
working.
yeah,
Okay, sir.
there is a letter known as inland letter. You know, the card is simply a card is a simple one like this. Not it that brown that yellow one, yellow or brown one. 50 paise.
Okay, sir.
50 paise only. Even today, it is costing only 50 paise. You can write the address, write whatever you want on it, put it in the post box. It will go up to Jammu Kashmir and Kanyakumari this side.
Okay.
And
Thank you, sir.
yeah, and there is one known as inland letter. It will be a blue letter paper like this, and there will be 2 pages inside, 1 page outside. 3 pages you can write. So many stories you can write in it. On the face, there will be address you have to write. And its cost is, if I am not wrong, only 2 rupees 50 paise. If I am wrong, somebody please listening, if you know, please correct me because I have not visited post office for so many days. One, I am here in Canada for the last 9 months. Even otherwise, earlier also, not many times I visited. In fact, I have more than inland letters, 5 or 6 in my house, bought some 20 years ago, not used. So, and what is the cost? I mean, what is the charge post stamp you have to fix on a cover, normal size cover? You know that? You don't know.
No,
5 rupees, 5 rupees. So I know why Why we are not knowing about all these things now? Because we are not using it.
Yes, sir.
Everything we are doing through this cell phone, immediate, tatak, tatak, tatak. You know,
Yes, sir.
there was once a concept known as telegram. Have you heard about it?
Yes, sir. I
I
heard
think
about.
I think it would have been a small girl by that time when it was scrapped. Yeah, now no longer it is in use because much more advanced systems have come. Anyhow, doesn't matter. Now this question you have to answer me correctly. Who is the commerce minister in the center?
Piyush Goyal, sir.
Good. Who is the, can you name 3 important ministers in Kerala?
Sir, Pinarayi Vijayan, sir, is our chief minister.
Mm,
And he also handles home affairs.
mm,
And our educational minister is sir. So, sir, Veena George, ma'am, is our health minister.
mm.
And our educational minister, general education minister is Mr. Shivanguti.
Very good.
And higher education minister is sir. Let me recollect.
Mhm.
Uh,
Doesn't matter. No, I wanted only 3. You told 3. This is sufficient. Good. This is okay. So, since when are you member of our group?
Sir, I joined day before yesterday.
Oh, you are a baby. Oh, you are joined only now. Acha?
But I have watched your videos, sir.
Oh, you have been watching my videos. Good.
Yes, sir.
Doesn't matter. Good. Now, what did you study for this interview? They ask questions like this. One, how did you prepare for this examination? How did you prepare for this interview? This type of questions they will ask. Are you a member of my Telegram group?
No, sir.
Why not? Are you not having Telegram app in your cell phone?
I have, sir, but I didn't know there was a Telegram group.
There is a Telegram group. Note it. 72020.
Okay, sir. Okay.
What is this?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
What is the spelling?
SIVAN
Hmm,
2020.
correct. You go there. You will land into a place. It will be like this. I will show you. This is 72020. It's a place full of information. You will get lot of ideas. You have to read, prepare, and all that. But you will get fear also because so many things are given. For example, are you able to see this now on screen?
Sir, sorry,
Are you able to see on the screen? Akarsha. Not able to? I think your internet is, you are saying internet is not all right. Please come out of your house or go to the terrace, go and stand before a cell phone tower.
Just let me connect to some Wi-Fi, sir. Please let me connect to Wi-Fi.
We are having Wi-Fi. Then why did you not connect?
I was connecting the right thing. Here Wi-Fi is not that good, sir.
Oh, Wi-Fi is not good. Acha. Oh,
Yes, sir.
you try through Wi-Fi, you will get it. Are you able to see on the screen now?
Sir, now I can see that, sir.
Yeah.
Can you hear me, sir?
Yeah, now I can hear you. Now I can hear you. So this is what the screen is about. Here you will see lot of ideas regarding what you should study, what are the things that are going on. See, here this tells about Karnataka Bank. This is their favorite question.
Okay, sir.
This is Karnataka Bank inaugurated to, please read this. Read.
Sir, just 1 minute. Okay, sir. I can see that the Karnataka Bank has today inaugurated. Oops, sir, I can see that.
Read.
Karnataka Bank has today inaugurated 2 GG centers at Yahalanka New Town at Hulimavu in Bangalore. And the Digi centers were inaugurated by Sri P. Pradeep Kumar, Chairman Sri Mahabaleshwara MS, Managing Director and CEO of the bank. Digi centers is a digital infrastructure for delivering digital banking products and services, as well as servicing existing financial products and services digitally in both self-service and assistant mode. The Digi centers offers various services like opening of savings bank account, issuance of debit cards, bill payment of facility, cash withdrawal, cash deposit, and in principle sanction of retail loans through digital modes and channels in paperless, efficient, safe, and secure environments.
Continue.
Okay. Speaking on the occasion, Sri Mahabaleshwara MS, Managing Director and CEO said, Digi centers make the customer onboarding seamless, more user and environment friendly with effective application of digital solutions with sample and efficient processes at the core. The turnover time of SB account opening, debit card issuance, and retail loan sanctions is significantly optimized. It provides an easy and delightful banking experience for customers of all generations, and I consider it as a natural evolution for Karnataka Bank to realize its dream of emerging as a digital bank of future.
See, this is a very favorite question of Karnataka Bank. What is digi banking?
Mm.
So you must be able to tell this and also go through this one. Are you seeing this now online?
Mm,
Karnataka Bank. Karnataka Bank.
no, sir. Maybe it
Yeah.
might take some time.
Uh-huh. Are you not seeing that? I think you must, no, I think it will not come when this has to be separately shared perhaps. 1 minute.
Uh,
Yeah, 1
okay, sir.
minute. This is Karnataka Bank. Here you go to digital banking and get to read about various services, digital banking services. Can you see the
Oh,
screen? Can you see?
now I can see that, sir.
Digital banking, internet banking, e-commerce. So you must read that also. Good. Very good. Now I will go to the other questions for you. Yeah. You said you studied ECE, correct?
Hello, sir. AAA, Electrical and
Ah,
Electronics Engineering.
triple E. Good, good, good. Then you should also go through the questions that are given in Bankers Adda material I have provided you. Perhaps
Sir,
you are not
is that available?
you have not got the
Sir,
materials. Did you get the materials or not from me? Link. Hello. I think Akarsha. I think her line has gone. A very poor internet connection in Kerala. Akarsha is not there online. Akarsha. Okay, now we will go to Namrata. Namrata ji, sorry, come. Namrata, are you there?
Yes, sir, I'm there.
Yeah, very good. Sorry, that girl, that line has got gone. Very good. The first time interview for you. Please tell me, what is your degree?
BSc, sir.
BSc, which subjects?
Physics, Mathematics, Computer Science.
You have to tell this because if you simply say BSc, I will think it is BSc means I know only maths, physics, chemistry. And there may be another one, zoology, biology, what is that? Chemistries. I don't know. In some cases, they have BSc with electronics also, something like that.
Sir,
Tell.
and Computer Science is also there.
Very good. Computer science means, did you prepare for computer based questions also?
Yes, sir, you provided in that Adda
Yeah,
website. So
you are
that I
prepared.
prepared.
Very
Yes,
good.
sir.
Very good. First candidate to tell me that I have prepared. Yeah,
sir,
yeah.
sir, I am Akarsha.
Akarsha,
I
yeah,
lost internet connection for a minute, sir.
yeah, no
Sorry,
problem,
sir.
no problem. Just stay on here. Now I'll be with Namrata for some time. Watch the interview. You can also join me after my completing Namrata. Okay.
Okay, sir.
No problem. So this is, though this is mock interview, it is not fully interview. This is more of a class-like situation where I try to guide people for how they should prepare. That is the reason why I show you the site and all that. Now, Namrata.
Yes, sir.
Maths, physics, computer science.
Yes, fine.
Computer science. Please.
Sir, I have one doubt.
Yeah.
Later, shall I ask? In
Namrata.
that biodata, they mentioned the main subject, sir.
Uh,
One main subject. Which subject we have to write, sir? We studied 3 subjects.
you write all the 3 subjects name: maths, physics, and computer science.
Okay, sir.
That's all. Don't worry. Whatever you write is right. Based on that, they will ask questions and you can explain. You can tell them which was your main subject.
Sir, we don't have except like main subject. All
Exactly.
subjects are same.
Yeah. When we all studied and all, we used to have a subject known as major, then
Okay.
2 ancillaries. But in some
Okay.
states, even now, that concept is there. In many states, it is not there.
Yes, sir.
So you give all the 3 subjects names, no problem. And if they ask, you say, you are studying in which place?
Yadgir, sir.
In
Yadgir, Karnataka.
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 Then why they have asked Karnataka people asking? They will know that there are no main subjects, so they will be knowing that you give all the 3 subjects, and
Okay.
out of them they will choose one and ask questions to you, possibly.
Okay.
But in your case, mostly they will ask questions relating to computer science.
Yes, sir. It is the measure they think.
Yeah. What is digi banking?
Digi banking stands for digital banking.
Mm,
We use through the mobiles,
mm,
handset.
mm,
It is in this we cannot visit the physical banking, sir.
mm,
It is easy for everyone to transact from anywhere
mm,
through by installing the app in mobile.
mm,
We can connect to our bank account.
mm. Which bank you have an account?
I have in Canara Bank, sir.
What is the name of the mobile app of Canara Bank?
Candy, sir.
What is the name of the mobile app of Karnataka Bank?
Karnataka KBL Mobile Plus.
Very good. Now, can you please tell me how
Yes.
social networking sites can be used to promote banking?
So nowadays, many people are in the social networks, social medias. It helps the banks to increase their customers
Mm,
by advertising their new schemes
mm,
and many insurances.
mm.
And they can also make customers alert about their interest rates.
No, but when you answer this, you should mention about the social networking websites with about which you are aware of. For example, um, Facebook, WhatsApp. I don't know. Whatever you have in mind, you
Mm,
must tell that specifically.
okay, sir.
What is
In
video?
Facebook, they can.
Yeah.
Yes,
What
sir.
is video conferencing?
Video conferencing is a process in which a two-person can contact face to face without physically. They
Okay.
can communicate from one country to another country. Nowadays, it is very helpful for communicating from our prime minister to another prime minister.
Mm, correct.
It is hard to go many times traveling. Where through video conference they can make decisions, sir.
In what way this video conferencing is used in banking?
In banking, they can for KYC.
Mm. Are you aware of that
Yeah.
procedure? How to do that?
KYC is a process for identifying and verifying the customers
Mm.
through their identity
No, no,
card
no, no.
and their verifying.
No. My question was, do you have experience of having done this?
No, sir, I never.
Ajay,
No experience, sir.
yeah. In fact, I recently had some need. That's why I'm asking you. Okay.
No, sir.
Now, what is 1 minute? Hold on. Just a minute.
Oh,
Just
okay, sir.
hold on. Hold on. Um, Yes, sorry, there was some bad news. My aunt,
Oh,
90 plus years, she has passed away. That's in Bengaluru. She is living in Bengaluru. You are also Karnataka, na?
mm.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
yeah,
I'm
yeah.
from Karnataka.
This news is coming from Karnataka. It seems she has passed away on 4th of September. In fact,
Okay.
yeah. And she was 90 plus. 90 plus.
Oh,
Yeah. Now that's it. And who is the famous personality who died recently?
from Karnataka or sir
No,
from
no.
Central?
Not Karnataka. From throughout the world, a famous.
Don't know, sir.
So many people are dying. Famous personality who has died means Queen Elizabeth.
Yes, sir. Queen Elizabeth.
Yeah, yeah. Suddenly you forgot because I was posing this problem. I understand. Good. So that is life. Immediately things change.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is life. Yeah, now I think computer questions you will manage very well. I don't have to bother about that. Now let me ask you, how good are you? But current affair, why are you so weak?
Yes, sir. I was little bit weak in current affairs.
Oh,
I have to prepare, sir.
no, I have given in our. Are you member of Telegram?
Yes, sir. I was member.
In Telegram, I have given you 1 to 7 and 8th date also. At least read from 1st September.
Okay, sir. I will read.
Very good.
Okay.
Now, coming to banking, please tell me what is current account?
Current account is a fixed. Current account is a demand account. It is for the business persons. In this, there is no interest rate is paid, and it is paid on demand.
Mm. But
Then,
you can add some more points also. Like current account, the minimum balance required is higher than the savings bank account. And in current account, there are no limitation for transactions.
transaction
The bank will be levying charges based on the number of transactions made by us. And it is normally opened by people, say, it's normally opened
business.
by some businessmen like proprietors,
Sir,
partnership, limited companies.
okay.
That's what it is. Good. Now, let me come to the next question. What is a demand draft?
Demand draft is a demand draft is a negotiable act. It is a written. It is a written form, and it is written by a person who gives the amount.
Mhm. Wrong. Demand draft is a negotiable instrument.
And
It is issued by one branch of the bank on another bank for the monies remitted by the customer. It is always issued favoring so and so or order. It cannot be issued as bearer. The payment of the demand draft is assured. Okay, the payment of the demand draft is
okay,
assured. It is payable in another branch of the bank.
okay.
It is
And it
signed.
is
It
issued
is signed.
before the payment.
No.
After
At the time of payment.
after
So now,
payment.
supposing you pay today, you will get demand draft today.
Okay.
So actually, why this has
Mm,
become irrelevant is that nowadays we are remitting money through GPAY, phone pay, and all
mm,
that, and through internet. So the method of payment through demand draft has become not familiar. It is not familiar
yes.
nowadays. Earlier, universities used to ask examination fee to be paid through demand drafts.
Demand draft.
Yeah, in fact, you have to believe me. In some universities, the demand drafts will be put to this room level, that much level. Demand drafts will come. When 1 lakh students remit demand draft, what will happen? Now all that has gone. Everything we can remit through online.
Yes, sir.
What is your
Now
father?
all digital.
Yeah, what is your father?
Teacher.
Teacher.
Government school head.
Government teacher. What is your mother?
Homemaker, sir.
Mother is homemaker. Good. Now, how many siblings you have?
I have two younger siblings, sir. One sister and one brother.
Mhm. Okay. Are you good in Hindi? हिंदी में बोल सकते हैं आप?
I can read and write. I can talk, but little bit I was.
अभी बात कर लीजिए ना मेरे से. अब हिंदी में बात करो ना.
हाँ सर, कर दो.
आपको किस तारीख इंटरव्यू है?
मेरा 16 को है सर.
अरे भाई बहुत लकी लड़की है. बहुत दिन का पास में है. अच्छा 16 था. 16 को क्या बोलते हैं हिंदी में?
16.
करेक्ट 16. गुड. आप प्रधानमंत्री के बारे में कुछ बात बताओ. हिंदी में बताओ.
हमारा प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी है. उन्होंने देश का डेवलपमेंट करता है. प्रधानमंत्री ने कुछ दिन पहले कर्नाटका के बेलगांव में आके INS विक्रांत को लॉन्च किया है.
गुड.
और देन उसके पहले जून 21 को कर्नाटका को आके योगा दिन के समय पे योगा दिन सेलिब्रेट करा है.
योगा डे.
मैसूर में योगा डे.
Good. Not bad, but not sufficient. They can easily understand you cannot talk well. Doesn't matter. But you can read and write, na?
Yes, sir. I can read and write, but I was not fluent much.
You can't. But even reading, can you do it fast or not? No.
I can, sir.
You cannot.
I can.
You cannot. Oh.
I can, sir.
Acha, I will test you. See, I am having advanced facilities than our ECGC. I mean, than Karnataka Bank. अभी हम आपको टेस्ट देगा ऑनलाइन में.
ओके.
देखो अभी टेस्ट कर देगा आपको. अच्छा जी, अभी इसको पढ़ो जी. पढ़ो.
सुजना हाइडा उत्साह के सुजना हाइडा उत्साह के लिए यहाँ क्लिक करें. परिविज्ञाधीन अधिकारियों की भारी भर्ती से संबंधित दिनांक 21/3/2022 के विज्ञापन से संबंधित शुद्ध पत्र के लिए यहाँ क्लिक करें.
ओके योर पास.
ओके सर.
हिंदी टेस्ट पास हो गया. कंप्यूटर टेस्ट पास हो गया. देन करंट अफेयर्स में ऑक्सीजन देना पड़ेगा पास करने के लिए. थोड़ा और भी पढ़ना है. समझा?
ओके सर.
हम तो सब कुछ दिया है. पढ़ लीजिए. इफ यू रीड दैट यू विल गेट टू नो. ठीक है?
ओके सर.
Why should I select Namrata? Sir, don't select me, no problems. Don't tell me, don't select me, no problem, sir. You should try to substantiate why should I select you.
Yes, sir.
You should tell about your plus point. I would have asked this question hundreds of times to my candidates. You must have seen in video.
Yes,
tell me, what is the
sir.
answer for this?
Sir, I was keen to join this job. Before applying to this job, I read the instructions carefully and I genuinely found some skills and qualities in me. I am highly effective in working under the pressure. For example, since last 3 years, I was preparing for the bank exams. Which needs 100% dedication and the time sensitive. But being in home, it is impossible to read 8 to 12 hours continuously. It impacted a lot of my results. So I learned doing multitasking. And I also enthusiastic and motivated to do every task, sir.
Good. Now 4 or 5 questions. With that, your interview will be over. Expand CRR.
Cash reserve ratio, sir.
Expand SEBI.
Security Exchange Board of India.
Expand FII.
Foreign investment investors.
Institutional investors.
Foreign institutional
Foreign
investors.
institutional investors. Okay.
Institutional
Investors. What is IRDA?
Insurance Regulatory Development Authority.
Depositories. What are the depositories? What are they doing?
What, sir? I can't.
Depositories. Depositories. Depositories hold securities in demat form.
Okay.
Depositories hold securities in demat form. Expand NEFT.
National Electronic Fund Transfer.
Very good. Thank you. Best wishes.
Thank you, sir.
Not
Sir, how was
not,
my?
Not very good, not bad.
Okay, sir.
I will
In
give
which section I have to improve, sir?
one current affairs.
Okay, sir.
Current affairs you have to improve, and the communication angle also. You are good, but there must be some more. As I told Akarsha, there must be some jose in your voice. The jose in the sense it, like you must have seen some cine plays where they talk with passion. So that sort of a feeling should come. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. I will
Otherwise,
try.
your interview is over. No problem. You have done it not badly, but still
Okay.
good. Best wishes.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, could you take one more?
For you, yes, because 16th is only your interview.
Yes, sir.
So maybe you can take it. You can take it on 15th, correct? Or 14th.
Yes.
Which date you want?
14.
14. Okay.
14th.
Okay, no problem.
And morning time, is it okay, sir? Because in evening I want to go Mangalore, sir.
Okay, 14th morning you want to take, na? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Your number starts with 1 minute. What is the number starting?
8123.
ठीक है. 8123. Yes. Last time also I simply wrote 812233. That will do. Number
At what time, sir?
6 p.m. 6 a.m.
Okay, sir. Okay.
6 a.m. on 14th. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
You don't have to pay money because your daughter of a teacher, free, no problem. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Now, Akarsha, are you there online, please?
Yes, sir, I'm online.
Yeah, Akarsha. Akarsha, what are the areas I asked questions earlier?
Sir, you asked me about Piyush Goyal, Commerce Minister, and Ministers of Kerala. That's it, sir.
Only that much. Oh, before that,
Yes.
before going for other things, it stopped. Yeah. You said you studied ECE, na?
Sir, EEE, sir, Electrical and Electronics Engineering.
EEE. Good. Can you tell me what is renewable energy?
Sir, renewable energy is the energies which, for example, solar energy is an example for renewable energy, sir. That is energy that wouldn't stop. For like example, in the case of fuel or petrol, it will stop if the consumption exceeds, then it will stop one day because there is not so much content in the Earth's core left. But renewable energy, we can make it after we can make again and again. For example, from ocean waves we can make electricity, and as I said earlier, solar energy, etc, sir.
Then wind energy.
Wind energy, sir.
Very good. Do you have windmills in Kerala?
Yes, sir, in Palakkad.
Acha? Oh,
yes, sir. Palakkad, Kanchikodu.
Oh, I don't know. Good, good, good. What did you say about your father? What is he doing?
He is a retired assistant education officer, sir.
Acha, retired assistant educational officer. Acha.
Uh,
What was
uh,
the nature of duties he was doing at the time of retirement?
Actually, he was a headmaster of his school, sir. He got promoted to AEO post, and
Mhm.
so he was basically controlling the schools under him,
Oh,
like making sure everything was implemented, like something like that, sir.
mhm. But recently, something new concept has been introduced in schools in Kerala
Uh,
about the children sitting and studying in schools. And some new concept. What is that?
there was just like gender neutral
Yeah,
concept was
yeah.
they were
But
trying to accept that, but that wasn't accepted, sir.
it is it implemented or not?
No, sir, it is not implemented.
Oh, it seems they told in the schools boys and girls can sit in the same bench or the same something like that. No, it was not accepted.
As and not only that, they said that boys and girls should wear same kind of uniform, like girls wearing kurtas, like
Hmm.
salwar kameez, and instead of that they should wear pants and shirt. But
Oh.
it wasn't accepted in so many parts of Kerala, so that became a controversial issue, so that it wasn't implemented, sir.
Who is the education minister in Kerala?
Sir, V. Shivanguti, sir, is the general education minister, and higher education ministers are Bindu ma'am, sir.
Good, good, good. Right, excellent. So that system has not been implemented now. Fine, no problem. Now,
Yes.
Akarsha. What is the first time I'm hearing this name? What is the meaning of this name, Akarsha?
Sir, it means attractive, not by the looks, but by the personality. Sir, my parents meant it when they put my name like this, but it has another meaning like above everybody, something like that means, sir, Hindi or something.
No, no, no. I think this is not the answer you should give. You don't have to tell about parents and all that. Simply tell what is the meaning of Akarsha.
Sir, it means attractive.
What
It's a
does
Malayalam word, sir. Akarshanam. It's
correct,
a
correct,
Malayalam word, sir.
correct. Akarsha is an Indian name for
Yes,
girls,
sir.
meaning
Yes.
attractive.
Yes.
What is the meaning of the word Lalitya?
Laditya means simple, sir.
Soft.
Simple, soft.
What is the meaning of Aryash?
Sir, what?
Aryas. Aryash.
Like sacred, superior.
Brilliant.
Yes, sir.
Brilliant, intelligent. Good.
Yes.
You are able to answer these questions nicely. I am happy. Akarsha.
Yes. Thank you, sir.
Akarsha, which bank you have an account?
In State Bank of India, sir.
State Bank of India. Who is the chairman of State Bank of India?
I don't know, sir.
Dinesh Kumar Karra. Dinesh Kumar Karra. Very good. What is the difference between State Bank of India and Karnataka Bank?
Sir, State Bank of India is a public sector bank, whereas Karnataka Bank is a private sector bank.
Mm. So what is the
Uh,
difference between a public sector bank and private sector bank?
Sir, in the case of a public sector bank, 51% of the share must be under government, and only 49% can be under private sector. But in the case of private sector bank, there is no barrier like that. It's fully, most of the time, it is fully owned by the private parties.
Mm. Good. Can you name the 4 private sector banks having headquarters in Kerala?
Sir, South Indian Bank,
Mm.
Federal Bank,
Mm.
then I know only these two banks are.
Then there is one CSB Bank, Catholic Syrian Bank.
Catholic Syrian Bank.
CSB Bank. I think it is named as now CSB Bank. And one more bank is there, Dhanalakshmi Bank.
Oh.
Yeah. Now, can you please tell me how robotics are used in banking?
Sir, through artificial intelligence.
Very good. How, for what purposes it is used?
Sir, even in the ATM transaction, they use artificial intelligence technology. It is basically a bunch of algorithm of programs,
Mm.
which is created for they were programmed in such a way that they will react if one response is received. Like when we are going to go to a ATM, and when we put the card, like it's all works based on the artificial intelligence system, sir.
What is a machine?
ATM machines, sir.
No, simple machine. Definition of a machine.
Sir, is that meant to electrical and electronics?
Yeah, electrical machines.
Sir, machine can be motor or generator.
Mm.
It receives input and works and gives output. In the case of a motor, it accepts electrical input and gives mechanical output. In the case of generator, it accepts mechanical input and gives electrical output.
An apparatus consisting of interrelated parts with separate functions used in the performance of some kind of work. A sewing machine, a mechanical apparatus or contrivance, mechanism, mechanics, etc. Very good.
Okay, sir.
Now,
Thank you, sir.
another question for you. How heat travels?
What, sir? Excuse me, sir.
Heat, H-E-A-T.
Heat.
How it travels?
Um,
I think it is some physics question, I think so. Doesn't matter. What is a boiler?
sir, boiler.
Is
The
it coming?
boiler gives
Is it coming?
steam energy.
Yeah, it is
Of
coming
course,
under
sir.
it. I think though it is mechanical engineering question, it is related to electrical also. Na?
Yes, it is related to electrical also, sir.
Yeah, boiler, heat exchangers related questions were asked. Then difference between 2-stroke and 4-stroke engine. That of course will not be asked to you because that is only for mechanical engineering people. This question can be asked. How electrical vehicle is working?
Okay, sir.
So no, I think I will give you these questions. You remember, you prepare. How electrical vehicles working? Note it, because I don't know whether I'll be posting this video. Sometimes I may decide not to post it also. So electrical vehicles working, and then whether to go for electric vehicles or not.
Okay, sir.
Difference between electric vehicles and fossil fueled vehicles.
Sir.
So these questions, they were not asked in Karnataka Bank so far, but they were asked in some other interviews. That's why I am giving you. What are your hobbies?
Sir, I love reading, sir.
Which books?
I like fantasy, fictional books, sir, mainly.
What is fantasy?
Sir, fantasy sir, fantasy books like Harry Potter genre, sir. Like something not there, something in imaginary world. Like famous fantasy writer is J.K. Rowling, sir. One of the famous fantasy writers, J.K. Rowling, J.R.R. Tolkien. There are so many writers.
That is that Harry Potter.
Yes, sir.
What does fantasy stand for? As you rightly said, how does a fantasy work? Yeah, fantasy is something imagination, that which is not existing, something imagination. Another one, what did you say? Fiction.
Yeah.
Which type of fiction? Science fiction or romantic fiction or social fiction? I don't know. What are the different types of fictions that are there? I don't know. Which one do you read?
I read science fiction and I read romantic fiction too, sir.
So please tell me something about rocketry. Hello? Rocketry.
I don't know, sir.
That is a movie.
Recently released movie, sir.
Yeah, not recent. 3-4 months over.
Yeah.
And
But I don't know.
You must know about it as a science student.
Okay, sir.
You watch that. If you cannot watch, you go to Wikipedia and get to know about it.
Okay, sir.
That will be helpful for you. Otherwise, thank you. You taught nicely. Best
Okay,
wishes.
sir.
Your
Oh,
number
thank you,
was, what
sir.
was your number?
9567
Don't tell fully. 9567. Take care. Okay.
883.
No. Okay. No problem.
Oh,
Thank you. Which date interview for you?
13th September, sir.
Best wishes. Prepare seriously.
thank you,
Some
sir.
more banking, current affairs. They say union ministers, state ministers, then capitals, then recent current affairs. Prepare and then go well. You can succeed. God bless you.
Okay,
And
sir. Thank you.
acha, what about this? What is your place of posting request? Anywhere in
I
India?
can work anywhere in India, sir. I love to explore different cultures, and it would be okay for me if I
Super.
have to work anywhere.
That should be the answer you give. Certainly, they will not post away from, say, Kerala or Karnataka. They will post you within that only. Best wishes.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye. Yeah. Next, who is to come next, please? Is there anybody by numbers 77601 available? 77601 or 87620? Ravi, what is your number? Did I give you time today? No. Srishti, did I give you number today? Time today? No.
Sir, I am 77601.
What is Srishti? What is your number? 77?
No, sir,
Sir,
I am offering
77601.
601. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Srishti is 77601. I think I gave you 7 o'clock time.
No, sir,
No,
mine
sir.
is 8971.
I am offering, sir.
Offering. Acha, you are willing to take now. Acha. Very good. Can you take it now, Srishti?
Yes,
Srishti, your internet is super awfully bad. No internet for you. Srishti, you message your number to my WhatsApp so that I can call
no.
you. I can call you through WhatsApp and talk to you. Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
sir.
Afreen, what is your number and which is your interview date?
12th September, sir.
12th
12th September.
Acha, you had interview with me or your interview is due?
Now, sir, 6:30.
Acha, what is
Told
the
6:30.
what is the number?
7760.
Acha, theek hai. Good. Afreen, you are from which state?
Karnataka State, sir.
What is your basic degree?
BCA.
Which is your native place?
Bagalkot district, Hunagun Taluk, sir. In Karnataka. Bagalkot district.
Bagalkot district. Good. बागलकोट डिस्ट्रिक्ट कलेक्टर का नाम क्या है? नहीं जानते हैं?
No, sir.
कोई बात नहीं. बागलकोट डिस्ट्रिक्ट में क्या क्या चीज वो लोग बनाते हैं, क्या काम करते हैं और क्या क्रॉप्स ग्रो करते हैं, इसका बारे में कुछ बताइए.
Sir, crops, jawar, ragi.
Okay. Then what is the business in Bagalkot?
Bagalkot and business famous for hospitals and agriculture.
Very good. What is your father?
My father, peon in Gramin Bank. Work as a peon in Gramin Bank.
Acha,
And pygmy agent.
Which Gramin Bank? Karnataka Vikas Gramin Bank.
Yes, sir.
What is he there?
Yes, sir.
What is he? वो क्या काम करते हैं?
So peon and pygmy agent, sir, now.
अच्छा, is a peon and also pygmy agent.
Yes, sir.
Pygmy agent का काम क्या है?
Collecting the money, sir.
अच्छा. Is he collecting every day from public?
Yes, sir.
Acha, how per day roughly how much he will be collecting every day, average? Ask him. You may not know it. Ask him how much is the money collected And what is the payment of commission for him? What is how is he paid commission? Okay, but yeah, but you said he is also working as a peon.
Yes, sir.
But maybe this pygmy collection is doing it in the name of your mother. So don't tell that in interview. No need. I'm not sure.
Which
Is
one,
he
sir?
a pygmy agent collection? Is he doing in his own name or in the name of your mother?
No,
Because the employees
No.
cannot do other business normally.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, anyhow, doesn't matter. Please talk to him about that.
Okay.
Now, please tell me what are Gramin banks, RRBs?
Grameen Vikas Bank, Pragati, Grameen Vikas Bank.
No, there is no Pragati now. Only two banks are there in Karnataka. One is Karnataka Gramin Bank, another one is Karnataka Vikas Gramin Bank.
Grameen.
Both are sponsored by Canara Bank.
Okay.
Now, what is the capital contribution in these Gramin banks? Who has contributed capital? Hello, what happened?
Capital contribution, sir.
What is the capital contribution? Who are all the owners of the RRBs? You
Amount
don't.
of money assets given to a businessman and partnerships. Sir.
You don't know. You have not talked to your daddy to know about RRB. RRB's capital is contributed by central government 50%. State government 15%. Sponsoring bank 35%. Why are you not knowing this? What is the degree you said? Sorry.
BCS, a Bachelor of Computer Application.
Okay. Did you go through computer application questions?
Yes, sir.
What is ALU?
Arithmetic Logic Unit, sir.
What is it doing? What is ALU is doing?
It's a part of a central processing unit and works with the computer instructions.
Good, very nice. What is cloud computing?
Cloud computing is to store the data and send the various departments into the network, exist the data and files and apps.
No. I think you're not telling correctly. This definition is not correct. Cloud computing. Cloud computing. What is cloud computing? What is cloud computing? Simply put, cloud computing is the delivery of computing services, including servers, storage, databases, networking, software, analytics and intelligence over the internet. Everything is provided in the internet. See, now hard disk we are having in our laptop, in our computer. But Geo is going to come out with a concept of cloud computer where you don't need to have a storage capacity in your laptop. It can be stored in cloud. So why don't you must know this as a BCA student. You must know this. Please go through internet and find out more about cloud computing.
Okay.
But the basic favorite questions of our Karnataka bank is what is digi banking?
Digi banking means digital banking, sir.
Tell me.
We can operate. Digi banking is a digital banking, sir. We can in the internet banking, online banking, we can We cannot go the physical bank and we try to network. Network banking services are delivered over the internet.
Do you know about the 2 Digi centers opened by Karnataka Bank recently? Where it was opened?
Mm.
You don't know? I have given it in our Telegram page and I just read it out half an hour back for one candidate. Perhaps you were not there. They have opened in Bengaluru. Please, are you a member of my Telegram group 72020?
Yes, sir.
Please go through all the postings I have given for the last 10 days since 1st September. Go through all the postings I have made. Everything has important point behind it. Okay,
Okay.
you must go through that, then only it will be good. BCA student,
Okay.
please tell me which bank do you have an account?
SBI, State Bank of India.
Very good. State Bank of Acha Afreen, you are a Muslim?
Yes, sir.
Acha, good. How many siblings you have?
Only one sibling, sir. Younger brother.
What is he doing?
He is doing a diploma in electronics.
Very good. Why are you feeling so fearful? No. See, when did you complete your degree?
Recently, sir, 2021.
Oh,
November.
that is the reason. No, Afreen, I know many of
This
the
is my first interview, sir, and first exam also, sir.
Acha, many of the families, more especially not only Muslim families, even other families, we bring children, keeping them inside a house, not having any exposure. But that cannot help. You have to come out and talk to people and communicate with confidence. Will your parents allow you to talk to others?
Yes, sir.
No problem. Will they allow
No
you?
problem.
Will they allow you to go for job?
Yes, sir.
In many Muslim families, they won't allow people to go for job also.
Yes, sir.
But
But my parents are
different. Good. Very good. Very good. I am happy. Appreciate them. अच्छा, please tell me what are the आपको हिंदी जानते हैं ना?
थोड़ा थोड़ा आते हैं.
क्यों? मुस्लिम्स तो अच्छा से हिंदी बोलते हैं, नहीं होने से तो उर्दू में बात करते हैं. आप उर्दू जानते हैं?
No, sir.
No.
No,
Only
sir. My name. No, sir. Only Kannada English.
only
Hindi
Kannada, only Kannada English. अच्छा, थोड़ा हिंदी.
Yes, sir.
They will ask you, will you go outside Kannada if we post?
Yes, sir.
So will your parents permit you to go outside Karnataka for work?
Yes, sir. Anywhere.
Very good. How many branches of Karnataka Bank are there in Karnataka?
598, sir. I think. 98.
98 or 577, something like that. I read in some ideas the thing. It is given as 577 branches.
Yes.
I have given, you say roughly 580 branches.
Okay.
Good. Now tell me, Afreen, why should I select you for this job? There are so many girls sitting outside, boys sitting outside, who are willing to take more responsibility. Can you do that?
Yes, sir. Basically, every country development is banking sector is very important. So in banking, the digital banking, internet banking is also important. I have a background of BCA, so helpful to us, and I am interested in working. I am become a banker.
Good, very good. I wish you succeed. Which date is your interview?
12th,
12th. In which place?
Bangalore, sir.
At what time?
Morning 8:30.
Oh, good. Then before going for the interview, you must go through the newspaper of the previous day From today onwards, you read the newspaper and watch the news when you are in Mangaluru on 5 a.m. or 6 a.m. also, current news also.
Okay.
Because today I was talking to one participant and she was not knowing about the death of Queen Elizabeth also.
Yes, sir.
So you should not be like that. Current important news, you must be able to know by watching your Kannada channels.
Okay.
Yeah, which
Sir, I have
news?
a question.
Yeah, please ask.
In biodata, have you appeared for any examination conducted by BPS? After Karnataka Bank, I have appeared, sir. So what I
No, it doesn't matter. Before Karnataka Bank, if you have appeared, then you should mention. If you have not appeared anything earlier, you can leave it. Now you can tell them at the time of filling of application, I have not appeared. Now, recently, I appeared. Then nothing wrong in telling it, because your decision will not be based on the decision to select you will not be based on that.
okay.
Yeah.
Sir, preferred state Karnataka and another 2 states. What I can
Which 2 states are you giving? No, but I suggest getting a job is really difficult. Why don't you put anywhere in India? But even then, they will not leave you. They will ask you, you are a girl. Acha, will you be wearing that parda and all that?
Which, sir?
That, that covering your face and all
No,
that.
sir. No, sir.
No, you are not wearing normally?
No, sir. Normally.
Oh, then it's okay. Then, you can tell them you are willing to be posted anywhere in India, but they will post you only in Karnataka or Tamil Nadu, like that, or Telangana. But if you really want to prefer 3 states, you mention whatever 3 states you want. But then they are not leaving such people. They are going on questioning them. What will you do if there are, that, na? One girl has told. Did you watch that video?
No, sir.
No. First day itself, 5th September itself, one girl was asked, you have chosen Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, and another state, Kerala. What will you do if there are no sufficient vacancies here? Then that girl said, no problem, sir. I am sure there will be vacancy because more number of branches are there in these states. So I will have a vacancy. There's no problem. I am committing to what I have decided. She told like that. She can speak because she is very good in communicating. She will not fear like Afreen. Afreen is fearing a lot. Understand?
Yes, sir.
So you should tell like that firmly. I am okay with
So
these.
what I can do with talking with confidence? What I am improving myself?
Only by talking to more people, by you attend my classes at 8:45 or 8 o'clock and see how other children are talking and discussing, so that you can also develop your confidence to speak. It only comes out of practice, Afreen. You can do it. After 1 year, you will be able to do it still better. But right now, you should have practice in thinking in English and talking in English. And if you want to improve your communication, you can join my spoken English class, which normally I conduct from 8 to 8:35. And
Morning class or night class?
night only, 8 to 8:35. And there normally what we do, I don't teach grammar and all that, but I tell you more about different topics related to banking.
Sir,
And
I haven't this link, sir. Class link 8:35 spoken English.
8 to 8:35 is one class is there, where you have to pay 300 rupees to same GPAY or phone pay, and then you send the screenshot to me. I will send you the materials of spoken English class, and also say the videos of previous classes.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Best wishes. Now, one or two questions. Uh, who is Rahul Gandhi? Hello.
हाँ sir.
Who is Rahul Gandhi?
Member of Lok Sabha.
Hmm?
Member of the Lok Sabha.
No. Is that the only identification for him, or is there any other identification?
Rahul Gandhi, politician and member of the Lok Sabha.
No. Rahul Gandhi is the Congress leader, na?
Yes, sir.
Son of Rajiv Gandhi. These things and all you must know. You please go through prajavani.net.
Okay.
You will know current affairs news.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Best wishes.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye. Afreen.
Sir, spoken English. Sir, spoken English class.
Spoken English.
Another thing.
Yeah, spoken English
Extra
class.
300.
300 rupees you have to pay extra, and you can join today also. You have the ID I have given you for 8:45 class.
Sir, until Karnataka Bank interview, sir, or every day, sir?
No,
Spoken English.
I may conduct even after that also. It depends. It depends. If at least two people come, I will continue. Or one, if one person also continues regularly, I will be going on talking, because it's not a problem for me. I will be discussing about current affairs. I'll be discussing about general awareness in English. The only advantage is talking in English. I will discuss about banking. I will discuss about economy. I will discuss about politics. I will ask you to read. After reading, I will ask you to speak in English what you have read.
Okay, sir.
Very good. Thank you.
Thank
Not, you are not bad, but only thing is fear.
Yes, sir.
Take care of that. You can succeed. God bless you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Srishti, what is your number? Srishti?
8971.
8971. Yeah, next is yours only. Are you ready now?
Sir.
Srishti? Yeah. Ravi, what is your number? Ravi? G Ravi.
9482. 9482.
Did I ask you to come today?
Yes, sir.
Acha.
At 7:30, sir.
Okay.
7:30 you gave me that.
Yeah. It's okay. No problem. So you wait for some time. Then
Okay, sir.
I will talk to you. Srishti, you are from which state?
Sir, Karnataka, sir.
Very good. Karnataka state, right? When did you join our group, Srishti?
Sir, 3 days back, sir.
Only. You're joined our Telegram group also?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So have you attended one or two classes at 8:45?
Sir, yesterday and all I attended.
Very good. Good. Very good. I am happy. What is your degree, please?
Sir, I completed my BSc in 2020 with a main subject like physics, chemistry, and computer science.
Very good. Now, after that, what you have been doing?
Sir, I also completed means last month I have written my MSc exam, sir.
Oh, great.
Yes, sir.
Very happy.
This is
very happy. MSc
Thank you, sir.
MSc in computer science, or which subject?
No, in physics, sir.
Oh, very good. MSc physics. Good.
This is the last sem, sir.
When is the exam conducted?
Last month 30th exam was ended.
Acha, exam completed. Result when it is expected?
Maybe within this month, sir.
Very good. How many marks are you expecting?
75% plus.
Very good. Very, very happy. So what are the subjects you studied in the last semester?
In MSc, sir.
Huh?
In MSc or BSc, sir.
MSc.
MSc in physics, sir.
Physics, which subjects did you study? Among physics, there are so many sub-subjects.
Sir, means
Srishti, you are in which place in Karnataka? Srishti, please, your internet is not all right. Come out. Because you are not going to switch on your video. So you can come and sit in a place outside your house also, though it is dark. But of course, if it is raining, it may be difficult. Are you using mobile data or Wi-Fi?
Mobile data, sir.
Which city are you living now?
Haveri district, sir, Hangal.
Is it a big city or a small village?
Not village, sir. Okay, taluk, sir, it is.
It is a taluk. Acha. So now are you sitting inside your house or outside your house?
Inside, sir. But sometime there will be network issues, sir.
Always. Always networking issues are there. But why don't you go and sit in a particular spot near your window or say first floor where you get good signal?
Yes, sir.
Stand up and go on to that place where you get good signal.
Sir, yes.
Very good. What is a bank?
Sir, bank is a financial institution that accepts the deposits and provides loans.
What is demand deposit?
Demand deposit means it is not for a fixed period. It can be I'm not getting.
Not getting what? Not able to talk. Demand deposits are repayable on demand. Anytime it has to be repaid. And the other type of deposits are time deposits, which are repayable after a specific period of time. Certain period of time. Good. What is expansion of KYC?
KYC means know your customer.
Yeah, know your customer. Good. What are the documents we have to take for KYC?
Identity of the customer and also the address of the customer. They'll like Aadhaar card, PAN card, voter ID, passbook.
Passbook or passport?
No, sorry, passport.
Driving license. Then Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Card. Okay, 6 documents. These names you have to remember and then tell. What is EKYC?
What's it?
EKYC. Hello. EKYC. Electronic KYC. Electronic know your customer. Know your customer. Which bank you have an account?
Canara Bank, sir.
Oh, very good. Where is the nearest Karnataka bank in your place?
Sir, we have in Hangal, sir.
Same place. How far is it from your house?
Sir, it is about 3 to 4 kilometer.
Very good. Have you visited that branch?
No, sir, I have not visited Karnataka Bank, but I have visited other banks.
No, why? You should go to Karnataka Bank tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
Tomorrow, what is that day? Saturday is holiday or
Saturday, sir.
Saturday? What is it?
Sir, maybe it is second Saturday.
Oh, holiday. See, then your interview is on Monday.
No, sir, 15th on 15th.
Acha, so okay, you go on Monday.
Yes, sir.
Go inside Karnataka branch. Go if they have some papers for account details, take that and read and talk to one or two counter clerks. Tell them that you have received an interview. Ask them, Anna, please tell me how to call elder brother in Kannada.
Anna only, sir.
Anna only, acha. You tell Anna, please tell me about Karnataka Bank interview. So any important points you want me to tell regarding, say, what clerical duties are, something like that you ask and talk to him to know about it.
Sir, I will go and visit.
Please. If Anna is not there, you talk to Akka.
Sir. I think both will be there.
So do that way, you will get some idea. Now tell me, what is RD? What is the expansion of RD?
Recurring deposit, sir.
What is the expansion of VRD? VRD. VRD. Variable recurring deposit. I think it is not there in Karnataka Bank. In some banks it is there. Variable recurring deposit means you can open now for 500 rupees. After 1 year or 6 months, you can change it to 1000 rupees also. Or after 1.5 years, you can reduce it to 200 rupees per month also. Depends, you can vary it. That is known as variable.
Depositing the amount where it is.
Variable recurring deposit amounts. Okay. Very good. Now, Karnataka Bank MD and CEO, what is his name? Hello.
Mahabaleshwar MS.
Very good.
Hello.
Very good. Can you tell the name of two directors of Karnataka Bank? Hello. Can you tell the names of two directors of Karnataka Bank? You don't know? One is Maithili.
Sir, one is Mr.
Maithili Ramesh. Another one.
And another one is Keshav Desai, sir.
And I told another name, Uma Shankar.
Uma Shankar. Okay, sir.
Yeah, very good. Very good. Very good. That's right. What do you want to become? What is your ambition in life? क्या होना चाहते हैं आप? Would you like to become chief minister or prime minister, or what do you want to, or cine actress? What do you want to become?
No, sir. Not like that, but I want to build my career in banking field only, sir.
Good. What do you want to?
So I'm preparing for the bank exam, sir.
Very good. Thank you. Thank you so much. Best wishes. Now I will log out. I will come in that class ID for English class. You also come there. You also come there. Yeah. Srishti?
Sir, in biodata, I have one doubt, sir.
No, you come and ask there. No problem. I will be there with you for next 1.5 hours. I'll come there.
Okay.
In that ID.
Sir, tomorrow also, shall I attend this interview, sir? Session.
You attend. No problem. You attend. You participate. If I have some question, I will ask you. You can answer. Okay, no problem.
Okay, sir.
I have no objection. G. Ravi, you can also come to that class ID. I have given you class ID, no?
Yes, sir. For interview batch, we have given.
Yeah, you please come there after say about 3 or 4 minutes. I would like to go for I'll come after 2-3 minutes. Then we will go.
Sir.
We'll be there for 1.5 hours. Yeah.
Sir, you have given interview time today, sir.
No problem. I will conduct there only. Okay.
Okay,
Because
sir.
some more people also may come and join that one. That is why we are going there. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you.